Hello, my name is Shay Smith, and this is my introduction for data assessment and analysis. A little bit about me. I have been teaching for 6 years. This will be my 7th year this fall. Chemistry and physics for all 6 years. I taught for 5 years in Clay Center, Kansas, which is about 45 minutes northwest of Manhattan. It's a smaller 4A school. And then last year was my first year in Lewisburg, which is about 20 minutes south of Overland Park, Kansas City area. It's a bigger 4A school. I've coached volleyball for 4 years, and this year I'm starting my master's in education with ESOL. My first classes were this summer. A couple of hobbies. I like to travel a lot. Just went to the Grand Canyon over spring break with another teacher friend, and I'm planning on going to New York in September. I read a lot, play intramurals, like to try new restaurants out in Kansas City. There's a lot to try. A little bit about my school's data analysis. I know that we do a lot of state assessments along with every other school. We have incorporated career cruising in with our homeroom students. This is just talking with them about what they want to do when they grow up, how they can accomplish that by taking classes in high school, and then what they need to do in college and what colleges even offer majors for them, or if they need to go to a tech school or get a certificate. We've also been talking about college and career readiness and trying to incorporate this throughout all classes. Last year we were trying to get the kids to self-advocate for themselves, all teachers throughout the whole school. It's just some of my instructional decisions. There is a science state assessment for high school students. However, it is relatively new within the past couple of years with the new Kansas science standards. I would like to see some data on that and have it be beneficial. In past state assessments, there was data on if the kids passed or not, but it didn't really say what questions they passed or struggled with, and I'd just like to know where they are struggling so we can then help them as teachers in content areas. I also do formative assessments to figure out timing on material, how they are gaining the knowledge in the classroom, and then also depending on who is understanding the material, I use that information to put them in different lab groups. And then also do some summative assessment at the end of units, figuring out did most of the students learn the content. If not, do I need to reteach? If we need to move on, which students do I need to kind of help as we do move on because they didn't get the content the first time. Some plans to improve is reading in this class and then learning everything from this class. I don't have a lot of experience with data assessment and analysis, so I'm excited to learn and see what there is to learn. I will be on the building leadership team next year, so I think that this class will really help in figuring out how to use the data that is collected to help our building figure out where we need to go in the future. And I'm also planning on collaborating with other teachers within my department and across different content areas and just figure out how we can best help kids be ready for the next stage in life. Excited about the class and good to meet you all. Thank you.